Hey Audius, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And I see that you have this click to call button. That is great to have on your website. That will really help with your conversion rates. One thing that I would recommend on this homepage here would be to add some more content. The reason is Google is constantly having what's called crawlers, and they are looking through the internet. So they are looking through all of this content on your website and seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for what's called keywords. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your website to be considered an authority with Google, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Tulsa Foundation Repair. And whenever your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down here, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 here because the top 3 get the majority of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews as well as geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing, and the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And it's important to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page. And let's take a look at the #1 ranking business for this specific keyword. Now, if we look through Eden Structural's website, they have some good call to actions as well, which once again, that helps with your conversion rate. And if we quickly scroll through here, it'd be really easy to outdo them with the content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website. And we'll start with Eden Structural. So I have their URL plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to take a look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website, and they have 38 and 31. And what's making up their ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 2.34 thousand backlinks coming from 979 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are created the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers here, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. In Eden Structural, they have 8.7 thousand keywords on their website. And I have your URL plugged in here to Ahrefs as well. And right now it's 0 and 0. You have 41 backlinks coming from 3 referring domains, and there are 3 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do is boost these numbers here to beat your competitors. And you would do that by getting high quality backlinks. And then you would want to add buyer intent keywords to your website. And one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You would go into these backlinks here of your competitor, and you would link these to your website as well. Because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And then let's take a look at some of the keywords that they're ranking for. Let's see. I am just looking for buyer intent. Here we go. Tulsa Foundation Repair. 350 people are searching for this every single month. Looks like they are ranking for a lot of random ones here. Let's do this. Foundation Repair Tulsa. 400 people are searching for this a month. We already looked at this one here. 200 people, 100, 150. And you can see that this list just keeps going here. And so in order for you to get some of this traffic for yourself, you would want your Google Business Profile ranking, so have more citations to that. And then you'd want your website to rank as well. So you would want high quality content to support buyer intent keywords, as well as having those high quality backlinks to your website so that you are boosting your trustworthiness and your authority. And I hope that you found this video valuable. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not for you. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.